In my last video, I have made a video on schema change. That is, if any if any table has changed its schema, then it will be redirected automatically. This we will achieve by using the infer schema in the code. Okay, and also it will deploy if any new column will be added. That is called as evolution. If you not see my that video, then you can watch by clicking on the above link. In this video, I am going to show you how to add if the let us assume here auto copy. Okay, here we have d-link as our company. In this company, the major three fields are customer table and department table and employee table are there. In the stage here, in the d-link stage, we are loading the customer data, department data, and employee data. Okay, whenever the new customer will arrive, it will update and load the data to this one. So these three fields we are loading, and in these three fields it should be updated automatically. So auto copy. Okay, we have to make such procedure in that if you load the data in the stage, either it may be internal stage or external stage. That external stage means here S3. Directly we can link the Snowflake to S3, and we will get the data from the S3 stage. Okay, so it will be come in the stage of Snowflake. So whatever it may be, if the data came to stage, it should be loaded in these tables once we run the store procedure. Okay, so earlier what we are doing, see, I will show you here. Very first thing is we have to create the databases. Okay, create database, auto copy, create a database of the schema of the company. Okay, and use that database. Here already I have created. I'll just execute it. Then create or replace. This is again it will be create. Here see here no table are there. We will doing from the scratch. Okay, create or replace database, auto copy, and create or replace schema d-link. Okay, that is a company name. And use database, use schema. It is already used here. Schema is not used. Okay, d-link is a schema is used here also. And here we already created a stage, so we no need to create one more time. Then here in stage we have to load the data. Okay, see, show stage means it will not show anything since it is not there, and list obviously it will not show anything because there is no file in the stage. Here we have to load the data. I think it is not there. Let me delete one. It will go on. It is the user interface problem. Okay, see here, see, it is not having any stage till now. Now how to add the file? Add file, browse, then auto copy. Here these three files I will load it first. One and employee department. Okay, I will load these three files. Upload. It is not showing here. Let me refresh it. Reload. Something went wrong. Reload. It is see here whether it is loaded or not. No, it is not loaded. Reload it. Same object to current role. Okay, account admin is a role. Account admin only the default role is there. In this role only I have added the things. Here also code admin is there. Pdx small. Just create one more time. Stage created. Then we'll refresh this. Yeah, now I think it will come. Browse. Let us assume these three are the customer files. Okay. Yeah, now it is coming. Now you can list it. List. See, it is come. It came here. So we have to create the file format first. So my CSV format, this is a common thing which we are doing. Okay, here first we need to create the tables, right? See, stage is created. Now the table we need to create. All the tables will manually run. Okay, see, employee ID, name, varchar, email. Okay, this is the columns in the in this employee table, and department table have these columns, and customer tables have these columns. Okay, now how we are doing is we are going earlier we are doing the manual method, uploading it, copy into employee table. See, this is the employee table here, no data is there. Okay, copy into employee table from the stage from which we are going to copy. This you can get from by here, by clicking the employee table, copy the path. So this path will be same, this path is same. Okay, we can do that. Now CSV file format we have to give. So the format is this one above format which you have created is my CSV format. Okay, if you do like this also, it will load the data. See, five rows are loaded. Let us see. See, the data is loaded. Okay, like this for customer also we have to run the everything manually. Then the customer file is also loaded. Okay. Department also the same thing. Earlier we are doing like this, but now what we are planning is we are planning to prepare a store procedure such that it will copy the data automatically in the respective departments. Okay, for example, in the respective tables. Okay, dealing has stage. Okay, it is not, table is not there. Tables came. Okay, this is a customer. If the stage is belonging to the customer, if the customer name is there, it should load to customer table. Customer one, customer two, all the things which is appeared in the stage. Okay, it should load to this table. If department name is there, it should load to department table. Employee name is there, it should load to employee table. Okay, like that we have to write a store procedure. So I will first truncate everything, rerun, create and replace, rerun again. Okay, got it. See, there is no table here in this count is 000, customer count is 0, employee count is 0, department count is 0. Okay, first thing we have to create a config table, that is here not is there. We have to create a configure table first. So what it should be, what it's doing is it is a database name should be there. Okay, then schema name, then stage name, then file format. Okay, then table, target table name, target table path, all these things should be there in the, I will share you this part. Okay, so table is created here, we'll show it to you. Select star from config table. Okay, see, the table, respective table is created. Now I will add this, I will insert the values by manually. Okay, database name is auto copy. Here database name is auto copy. Then schema is dealing, and the stage name is dealing underscore stage. My CSV the format name or CSV format. Okay, and then a customer, employee, and department are the three tables, target tables we have. This is the file path and all those things are correct. This is the project is nothing but the name which we want to run. Okay, for store procedure migration is a project. Okay, let us insert automatically. So manually I have inserted the values. So let me check the values whether it inserted properly or not. See, all the three customer table, department employee table, and department table is already created. Okay, it is all this in the config, it is there, but the count is 0 only. Once I run this procedure, this I will explain you what is this procedure. Once I run this procedure, it will automatically load into the respective department, respective tables. Okay, see here, I ran this procedure. Function copy automate successfully created. I execute this one. This is a migration. It's a project name. Okay, execute this one. Call. Okay, call copy automate. See, this message it came. I will show you what is this message also. See, it is successfully file loaded into the respective tables. This I have given, we have given the message to what to display. Once the process, store procedure is called, what message it should display. Okay, this is a copy into customer table, copy into employee table, and copy into department table is there. Let us check whether it is actually copied or not. See the count. 3, 5, and 6 are there. So what is the count here? Customer table is 3, employee is 5, and department is 6. Okay, customer is 3 value, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Department is 6 values, and employees 5 values are there. So as it is showing here. What is the row counts? Okay. Now, if we add the value in the stage, I will add the customer 2 in the stage. Browse customer 2, open, upload it. I have added one more customer value. Okay. How many rows it contains? Let us check. Customer 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four rows are there. And then in customer 1, 3 rows. So total should be 7. It should append the values. Okay. It should be 7. Then in customer 2, when I run the auto process, see here, it will not come automatically. You have to run the procedure first. Okay. If I run this procedure and I will call this procedure, then what will the total count of the customer? It should be 7. See, it should be 7. And where it is loaded here, let us check whether it is loaded or not in the customer table. See, 7 records are loaded. First 3 is the first one, and 4 is the last one. Okay, the same table I have repeated, only one thing I have added here. Okay, just for showing the reference. So this is the auto copy procedure. Let us explain how this procedure work. So you have to create a config table first. First step, you have to create a config table, and then you have to insert manually the values which are there in the config table and the stage, the values of the stage and the values of the database schema. Okay, then from here the procedure start. See, in this, the important thing is we have to select SQL query to this is the whatever that starting from double bracket double backward slash is that is commented out, so it will not execute in the code. Okay, select the table name, whichever the table you are, whichever the columns you are using in this code, that is these columns: target table name, stage name, file format, database name, schema name from config table. Okay, where project is equal to project. Here, SQL statement we need to create. This statement we have to execute anywhere in the Java program language. We have to execute this statement for any execution process. Okay, then loop through the set copy while rs.next, where this table name here, these things we need to define. Okay, target table name is this one for column 1. This may be anything, means it should not be column 1, column 2, column 3 only. This target table name may be column 5 or column 6, for any sequence you can use. Okay, get column value, uh, the rs get column value, this is the code of JavaScript. Okay, uh, these columns you have used: target, stage, and the file name, and file format, and database name, schema name. Hmm. Uh, this message, the message which we got now, that message is this one. This message, when we call the procedure, it will show this message. See, message, prepare to execute copy into format, successfully file loaded respectively, preparing the execute to copy into table name, table customer name. This is a table name we have given. Okay, so table name is what? It is nothing but customer, employee, and the department. File name is same. Stage name is also same. It will show here. Hmm? Stage name is dealing stage. Customer is the table name. Okay, file name. This message is there. So here, this is the important part. Okay, here copy into the same thing we are using, but we are making it automated. Copy into this table name we have given. Table name we have to give. Then from database name dot schema name dot stage name. Okay, file format. This file format we have used here. Pattern we have used one more special character here. Okay, see this is the normal copy option. Okay, here the pattern should be whatever is there. This dot indicates that what before star. Okay, uh, I have used a lowercase also, because in the stage, if the customer is in capital letters, it will not load the data. Hmm. Or employees capital letters, any word, anything is capital, it will not work. So I make it the lowercase. Hmm. In between csv.csv and whatever the name, customer, employee, or department, between whatever it may be, it is loaded the data. Okay. Hmm. That is -1 -2, like that, na? Customer -1, customer -2, customer -3, employee -1, employee -2, employee -3, like the department also. It will matches. If it is matches the file starting with file name, example customer. Okay. Hmm. This will load the data, automatically load the data. This pattern is we have to use here. Okay. Then the message executing copy statement into, then the this should be there for every JavaScripts. Hmm. And then this again the message, this is optional. This is a catch message. This is all the messages are optionals. Only the important thing is here we have to use this one and this one and this one. These three things are important here. Okay, got it? So if you execute this, the result is what I'm showing here. The message will come like this. Got it? So hope this will help you. Thank you.